Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe. Children, today I am going to explain you exercise 5D. Okay. See, children, it's question number 1. Find the product. Find the product. It's question number 1, first part. See, children, when we have to multiply two fractions, what is the rule? We have to multiply the numerators by the product of denominator. That means we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. See, its first part. 2 by 5 into 5 by 18. What I told you, what is the rule? That we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 2 into 5 divided by 5 into 18. Now we know that we can cancel two numbers if they are coming in the same table. So 5 get cancelled with 5. Likewise 2 and 18 will also get cancelled. 2 1 2, 2 9 18. Now what is left in the numerator? See, 1 left both sides. So 1 into 1 1 9 9. So answer is 1 by 9, children. Now see the third part. It's third part, 96 by 115 into 25 by 54. What is the rule? First of all, multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. That is 96 into 25 divide by 115 into 54. Now we know that 25 and 115 both are coming in the same table, same number table. That is what? 5 table. 5 5 is 25, 5 23 is 115. How I have done this? 5 2 is 10, 1 left 15, it will become 5 3 is 15. Okay, this is the way of simplification. Likewise 96 and 54 both are even numbers and they both are coming in the table of 2. So let's see at which place they both are coming. 2 2 is 4, 14 it will become 2 7 is 14, 27. 96 is what? 2 4 is 8, 16 it will become 2 8 is 16. So it is 48 by 27. Now can you tell me, is any other number which can get divided by the same number? No. No number is coming in the same table now. So what we have left? 48 into 5 divided by 23 into 27. Since no number is divisible now, it is not simplified anymore. So we have to multiply 48 into 5. 48 into 5 is 240. 23 into 27 is 621. Now when we observe it carefully, we get to know that both the numbers are coming in the table of 3. How? 3 8 is 24, 0 will remain same. Likewise here 3 2 is 6, 21 7 at the place of 7. So 0, when we are taking two digits together, we have to put 0. 3 7 is 21. So the answer is 80 by 207. Now children, see, I will do it second part. Question number 2. Question number 2, its second part. Question number 2, second part. 9 by 20 into 8. See children, here the 8 does not have any denominator, then you can put 1 here. Now what is the rule? Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Now 8 and 20 get divisible by the table of 2. So 2 4 is 8, 2 5, 2 10 is 20. Again 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. Now is any number divisible? 9 and 5 does not come in any table, 5 and 2 as well. So what is left with us? 9 2 is 9 into 2 divided by 5 into 1. Answer is 9 2 is 18, 18 by 5 is the answer. Okay children, 18 by 5 is the answer. You can write in mixed fraction also. How you will write? 5 3 is 15, 3 3 by 5. 5 3 is 15, 3 3 by 5 is the answer. Now see children, it's fourth part I am going to explain. 28 into 15 by 56. Again 20 does not have any denominator, so let's put 1 as the denominator. Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 1 into 56. Now 28 and 56, they both are not coming in which table? They both are coming in the table of 7. Okay, or you can take it with the table of 2 also, but you have to cut it more times. But if you know that both the numbers are coming in the table of 7, then you can cut it directly. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28 and 7 8 is 56. Again 4 and 8 comes in the table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Now what is left in the numerator? Numerator is left with 1 into 15 by 1 into 2. So answer is 15 1 15, 2 1 2. Answer is 15 by 2 is the answer. Okay, you can write in mixed fraction also. 2 7 14, 1 is remainder, 7 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay children, now I will take question number 3. See children, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. I will take its first part. 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 12. First of all, it's a mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 into 5 by 12. Can you cut any of the numbers? First of all, multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Can you cut any of these things? Yes, 8 and 12 both will come in the table of 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Can you cut any of the things now? Any of the number? No, you cannot cut. So the numbers which are left with us are 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 3. So the answer is 2 5 is 10, 3 3 is 9. When you convert it to improper fraction, 1 1 is 1, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 9. Okay. Now see its next part which I am going to solve for you is its third part. Okay. See children, third part I will solve here. Third part is 3 by 8 into 5 1 by 9. First of all, you can see here both are mixed fractions. So convert into improper fraction children. 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 3, 27 by 8 into 9 5 is 45, 45 plus 1, 46 by 9. Now multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 8 into 9. Now can you cut any of the numbers up and down? Yes, we can cut. What is that? 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27 directly. Now 8 and 46 both are coming in the table of 2. Yes. So 2 4 is 8, 2 23 is 46. Now 23 is a prime number. Now if no number is divisible, you cannot simplify it more. So you have to, the next step is to multiply the numbers, numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. 3 into 23 is what? 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 69 by 4. Either you write 69 by 4 or you can convert into mixed fraction as well. Okay children. Now I will solve question number 4 with you. See children, question number 4. Question number 4. Its first part, 12 into minus 5 by 6. See children, minus sign will affect the answer. So always remember the 4 rules which I have explained you what they were. Plus plus results in plus, minus minus results in plus, plus minus results in minus, and minus plus results in minus. Okay, these 4 rules. Now see children, since there is no denominator, so what we have kept? We have kept 1 as denominator. Now multiply 12 into minus 5, divide by 1 into 6. Can you cut any of the number? Yes. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Now what is left with us? In the numerator we have 2 into minus 5 and in the denominator we have 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. So now you see denominator will be 1 only. You write or do not write, it will remain same answer. Now see children, multiply number 2 by 5, 2 5 is 10. But see here it is plus, it is minus. Plus minus results in minus. So the answer is minus 10. Okay. Now its next part which I will solve for you is its fourth part. Fourth part, minus 36 by 11 into 5 1 by 2. First of all, it is improper mixed fraction, convert it to improper fraction. Minus 36 by 11 into 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. Now you can easily cut 11 by 11. 36 and 12 can be divisible. Yes, they both are simplified, can be simplified. 2 1 is 2, 2 18 is 36. That means everywhere is 1, only this 18 is left with minus sign. So the answer is minus 18. Okay children, now your homework. See children, now your homework is what? See, please note down homework. Homework is, kindly do all these questions which I have done on the board as classwork, and the homework is question number 1, second part and fourth part. Question number 2, first part and its third part. Question number 3, second part and fourth part. Question number 4, second part and third part. Okay, so I have given you 8 questions I have done as classwork, 8 questions I have given you as homework as well. Okay children, these are very easy work. Please do all this work, classwork as well as homework in your copy. Thank you children.